Let's make a very easy, incredibly tasty, refreshing, light, and super crunchy, perfect for a quick lunch or snacks that even the kids will enjoy. Hello and welcome back to my channel Cooking Story, and this is Smita. So let's begin today's recipe: crunchy, refreshing, nutritious, and gluten-free. This quick cucumber salad bowl. So let's check the ingredient to make this recipe. And the ingredients are black salt, chaat masala, coriander paste, yogurt, pomegranate, some cherry tomatoes and green chilies, onion chopped, lemon juice, sweet corn boiled, with that our English cucumber. First of all, take the English cucumber, wash it thoroughly. If you don't have an English cucumber, you can use normal cucumber too. Then with the help of a peeler, strip on alternative strips. Now cut both the edges and from the middle cut it into equal half. After that, take a spoon and remove the seeds and keep it on the side. We will use at a later part of the recipe. This recipe is so easy that it comes under just 10 minutes and there is no cooking involved. So they are perfect if you want to get the kids involved in the kitchen. Now in a bowl, add 2 tablespoons of yogurt, 1 small green chili chopped. If you don't want, you just ignore the green chili. Add 1 small medium onion chopped, then 1 tablespoon of boiled sweet corn. Now add 1/4 teaspoon of chaat masala and half teaspoon of black salt. Mix everything well and then keep aside. Though here I want to mention you that I have used English cucumber. These are my favorite because of all the small size, fresh flavor and crunchy texture. So if you are unable to find this, then you can use normal cucumber or a variety of big size cucumber and cut it into small pieces. But don't forget to add the seeds of the cucumber or the peel portion which you have done at the beginning of the recipe. Now mix everything well, keep aside. On the other side, take 1 tablespoon of coriander paste. Into it add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice and 1/4 teaspoon of chaat masala and 1/4 teaspoon of black salt. Mix well and also keep this aside. Once we are done with all the ingredients, let us assemble our cucumber boat. For this, take the cucumber boat. Next, top each cucumber boat with a spoonful of yogurt mix. Spread them evenly. After spreading it, then add 1/4 teaspoon of coriander paste on each cucumber boat. Then garnish it with some cherry tomatoes, pomegranate seeds, and sprinkle some chaat masala and black salt from top. And they are all ready to be devoured. So if you think today's recipe is worth it, then don't forget to subscribe my channel Cooking Story and hit the bell icon so when I upload new recipes you get the notification first. Till then, stay healthy, stay wealthy, enjoy this nutritious cucumber boat. See you again with another new recipe. Till then, bye bye.